Hi guys! So today I'm doing a nail tutorial for beginners. It's so easy to do. People are going to think that you put a lot of effort in it when you really didn't. So let's get started. So start with base coats so you can protect your natural nails. After that, apply a first coat of white nail polish and let it dry. When the nail polish is dry, apply on your ring finger a shiny top coat. After that, we're going to use our silver rhinestones that I'm showing on camera right now. But before we apply them to our nails, we need to apply second coat of nail polish. Before it dries out, apply your silver rhinestone on your nails. Just make sure you applied it very well so it doesn't fall off after. When you applied rhinestones on your all nails, just apply a top coat for more glossy, shiny finish. And that's it, guys. It was so easy, right? So guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. You can follow me on Twitter and you can leave me comments down below. And click here if you want to watch my last video, Galaxy Nails. Bye!